What's good? Welcome back to another sneakers stroll. And yes, you know we already secured these. These are the City of Styles. Plus 12 purple box. They didn't come with the cream box. We got a purple box this time, which is cool. We're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one pair up. Show you guys the other pair later. But stay tuned. Try to make this real quick for you guys. It's simple. But I'm gonna do this panel here. Take the laces all the way out. Then I'm gonna do the top panel. So I'm doing the outside panels. This panel here, this panel here, this panel here, leaving a Nike sign. And then on the reverse one, I'm gonna do this panel here. I don't think I can do the tongue. So this panel here, the inside panel here, and I'm thinking doing this here around the Nike if possible. If not, yeah, I think that's the only one I can probably do. So stay tuned. I'll come back with another video of this and show you what it looks like after. I'm not gonna do it all in one, but thank you guys for showing up, and I'll show you guys what it looked like. So I got 50% of it done. I gotta do the other shoe, and then I have both of them done. But this one's finished. One shoe I got finished. I like how it came out. I'm doing some burn to it right now. Some of the pieces that's long, burning them down. Cause I like mine's the burn look. I like it to look kind of natural, especially how that Nike sign is. And then I noticed suede Nike sign, suede toe box, canvas here, and canvas on the back. Those are two different materials that's on these. So that's something to keep in mind. If you don't know already, get a little more burn to mine, and I'm good with this one, and I'll start the next one. But this is pretty much what they come out to look like if you was to do it. And if you haven't already, please go check out the albinos. I cut up the albinos as well. Did my spin on them. I did it in line when I first got them, and then I went to the skate park and actually did some detailing. But yeah, man, I like them. These are hard. These are the ones. This came out dope. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. Yes, sir.
too.